Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, today I will explain about binomial tests using JEPS. And the first binomial test using JEPS? Can you see the explain or point this? Analyze preparation in categorical data. Example, laptop use or Mac vs Windows. Simple statistical decision-making tool. Okay. A binomial test is used to analyze preparation in data that only has two categories. In this case, the example is laptop use, especially Macs and Windows. This topic is important because it's helped us understand whether the data we observe is similar to what we expect or if 3 is a significant difference. So, text this presentation, I will show how this test works in a simple practical way. Okay, next, concept of binomial test. Used for this comes variable to categories, compares observed vs expect preparation non-parametric tests. A binomial test is used when our data only has two possible outcomes. This is called the dichotomous data. For example, a person can either use Mac or Windows, so there are only two choices. The main function of this test is to compare what we observe in our sample with what we expect based on theory or previous data. So we are basically asking, is there a difference or is it still the same? This test is also non-parametric, which means is it more flexible because it does not require data to follow a normal distribution. Okay, the next, research case and expert value. Sample 80 students makes 36 or 14% use Windows, 454 or 16% expects Windows, 72% Macs, 80 to 28%. Well, in this research case, we call data from 18 university students. From the result, 40% of students use Macs, while 16% use Windows. This is what we call observed data, which means the real data we collect. Then we compare this with expert data from the UK market, where Windows is used by 72% and Macs by 28%. So here we want to see whether students follow the same pattern as the market or not. The next, hypothesis and method. Can you see find this? I explained in statistical testing we always use hypothesis. That's null hypothesis or HO means there is no difference between observed and expected data. The alternative hypothesis or He1 means there is a difference. To test this, we use JEPS. The steps are simple. We open the data set, go to Prequiz selects binomial test and input the expert values such as 0.72 or 0.2 point. After that, JABS will automatically calculate the result. And next, result and interpretation. Can you see the fine? The result of the test show a p-value of 0.014 point. Since this value is less than 0.05, it's mean the result is statistically significant. This tells us that we reject the null hypothesis. In other words, there is a real difference between the student data and the expert data. Especially, students use fewer Windows laptops than experts and more Mac laptops than experts. So we can conclude that student preferences are different from the general method. And the last conclusion. In conclusion, the binomial test is a simple but powerful statistical tool. It helps us compare real data with expert value and determine whether the difference is significant. In this case, we found that student laptop preferences are different from the market trend. This shows how important statistical analysis is in understanding real-world data and making better decisions. Thank you for your. And I hope this presentation help you understand the concept of binomial test more clearly. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.